Hello friends, today let's learn numbers from 1 to 10 with some exciting examples. One ice cream. One ice cream. 2 teddy bears. 2 teddy bears. 3 dinosaurs. 3 dinosaurs. 4 unicorns. 4 unicorns. 5 donuts. 5 donuts. 6 butterflies. 6 butterflies. 7 crayons. 8 cupcakes. 9 stars. 10 animals. 1 ice cream. 2 teddy bears. 3 dinosaurs. 4 unicorns. 5 donuts. 6 butterflies. 7 crayons. 8 cupcakes. 9 stars. 10 animals. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more fun videos.